Log into your Cofinex account. Once the home screen opens, tap the KYC section. Select your country. Upload a valid ID, such as a government-issued ID. Enter your name and phone number, then click Next. Please click the Continue button below to begin the authentication process. Click the Proceed button and follow the instructions to complete the authentication process. Tap Capture or Upload to upload the front and back of your valid ID. Then, in the Take a Selfie section, tap Upload to take a selfie, and then tap Submit. Go back and wait for KYC approval to be completed.
Important notes. Always verify the selected network before making a transfer. Sending funds to an incorrect network may result in permanent loss. Deposits require blockchain confirmations before reflecting in your account. Security reminder. Cofinex will never ask for your password, OTP, or private keys. Always use official Cofinex platforms only. Need assistance? If you face any issues, please contact Cofinex customer support or visit the Help Center for more tutorials.